So meron na naman tayong bagong Bluetooth earphones from Ugreen. And this is the HiTune H6 Pro. Inside the box, you will be greeted by a pebble-like case na may glossy finish. Earphones are stem style na glossy din but without the silicone ear tips. It is also supported by the Ugreen Home app kung saan pwede mong i-control ang maraming settings gaya ng noise cancelling, equalizer, at pwede mong mahanap individually yung earbuds in case na mawala mo. Touch controls are also present at pwede mo rin i-customize through the app. But what sets this apart from other earphones ay yung sound quality niya. Highs are rich and clear, mids are incredibly detailed, and sana nga lang pwede ko iparinig yung tunog nito dito sa video. However, it lacks a bit of bass dahil sa semi-open in-ear design niya. Pero when it comes to games and streaming videos, wala akong napansin na latency. And lastly, ito yung makukuha nating mic quality kapag ginamit natin si Ugreen for audio and video calls. Kaya kung gusto mo rin ma-experience yung earphones na to, ilalagay ko yung product na to sa basket ko sa baba.